Hey guys, we're here at ABR Festival. I'm just stood outside the Lyndon Poskitt Racing stand. As you can see, lots of stuff, but what everyone wants to see is this. The competition bike is getting given away tonight at 7 o'clock, so sometime just after 7 o'clock on the masterclass stage at the ABR Festival. I'm going to pick the winner, I'm going to announce the winner. You've got 4 or 5 hours to get your tickets left, so if you haven't got a ticket yet, go and get them. The link's in the description below. That's the bike, take a look. Somebody is going to win that bike today, so don't delay. I can't wait to do it. We've got 10 other prizes as well, as you can see on here. A week, some days riding with me at the Lyndon Poskitt Racing Rally School in Spain. Loads of other prizes from Akrapovic, Motorex, Michelin, Climb, all that stuff. Don't miss out. I can't wait. I'd love to live stream the draw, but unfortunately we don't have good enough internet, so I'm going to film it and get it out as soon as I can after the draw, and I'll post all the winners on my social media. So stay tuned, someone's going to win that bike and a load of other prizes today. Don't miss out. 4 or 5 hours to get your tickets. Good luck everybody. I'll be back later today. Cheers.